It is in the art of marriage that the little things are the big things. It's never being too old to hold hands. Are you listening?
Yeah.
Jennifer and Gustavo, you have today joined your excuse me. Yeah. We'll do the sand ceremony now.
Okay.
Jennifer and Gustavo today will join separate lives together. The two separate bottles of sand symbolize your separate lives, separate families, and separate sets of friends. They represent all that you are and all that you will ever be as individuals. They also represent your lives before today, as these two containers of sand are poured into the third container. Just as these grains of sand can never be separated, poured again into the individual containers, so will your marriage be.
You just end it. Get out of here. I can't be them. I can't be
By the authority vested in me in the state of Arizona, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Congratulations, you may kiss the bride.
Yeah, go. Yeah.
I present to you Mr. and Mrs. Gustavo Luna. Watch your step, babe. Watch your step.
Okay. I
Watch
got
your
you.
step.
I got you. Ramsey, go. Wow. I got it. Here, let me. I don't even know why I want this. Kevin, take this. This is ridiculous. Let's go. Yeah.